James Hardie is fiber cement. Fiber cement is siding and trim and soffit and fascia. And the selling point of fiber cement is it's very durable. It's not affected by ultraviolet rays. It doesn't break down. It doesn't warp. It doesn't sag. It's incredibly rigid. It's concrete. So it holds up to a lot of abuse. It takes a lot of abuse from hail and weather and all that stuff because, again, it's concrete. It's very strong. They sell two versions of it. They sell primed and they sell ColorPlus painted. Primed is literally that. It's just primed. You install it, you have somebody paint it. Aftermarket paint it. ColorPlus is factory painted from the Hardie factory, and it has a 15-year warranty on the paint job. And it's a paint that's applied on and cooked on, similar to a car's paint process, so that it lasts longer. And so like I just use as an example, if you get primed only and painted, which you'll see cheaper companies do this and new construction companies do this, well, it's like, just how good is the paint job? Like, you hear all the time about they use cheap paint. They had to put water in it so it could go through their blower to thin it out so that they could spray it on and all that stuff. And so you may get 3 years out of it, you may get 7 years out of it, but you're going to be repainting that thing in the next 10 years, or if you don't, it's going to look like heck well before that. When you get ColorPlus, because it's such a thick coating and it's baked on and it's factory applied, it has a 15-year warranty. It looks great. It looks great longer than 15 years in most cases. You they only warranty it for 15 years. But it's incredibly durable. It's very attractive, and that's all we try to sell at Thermal King because it is the least maintenance product you can get. Once it's put on, like if you have an aftermarket paint job done, it's just like if you have a regular wood-sided house and you have a paint job done. How good is the paint job? You can get really cheap ones and you can get really good ones. And most people don't want to spend for a really good paint job because even really good paint jobs, still you have to repaint them. So it's, that's the thing. I would tell you getting the ColorPlus Hardie siding, pay once and you're done for a long time. If you do the primed, it saves you money not to get the ColorPlus, but then you pay more money to get the paint job, and it doesn't last as long, so then you pay more money again, except inflation's happened. 5 years later, a paint job was X, now it's X plus 30% or whatever. And so just get the ColorPlus and do it right from the start.